Okay, so we want to work out the mean and standard deviation using the most modern type of calculator, the GTX. Okay, it's only been around recently, and it's a slightly different process than the older calculator. So here I have the instructions for the older calculator. The key thing, we're working on a table of data. Okay, whether you have variable 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a frequency 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. So i.e. 0 appears twice, 1 appears 3 times, 2 appears 3 times, and so on and so forth. Okay, so we need to put it in the table mode where we have the extra column for the frequency. It's similar to the older calculator. So we go Shift and then Menu to get the setup. We then go down, and you can see the statistics option. So that's 1, and we want frequency column to be on, so it's a 1. So it's very similar to this, what's written here. Rather than Shift Mode down 3, 1, it's Shift Menu down 1, 1. Anyway, we've turned on the frequency column. You'll see this now, because now if I go into Menu, 2 for stat mode and 1 for univariate data, you can see now I have my X column for my variables and my frequency column, okay, for my frequencies. So now I enter in the values, so I can enter that in just by simply typing the numbers in and pressing equals. So 0 equals 1 equals 2 equals 3 equals 4 equals, and I want to, now you'll see the frequencies have been automatically entered in as being just the values of 1. Okay, so we actually want to change those, so we can just go down, go to the top of the list and go across to get into that frequency column, and we're going to fill in these frequencies of 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. So 2 equals 3 equals 5 equals 3 equals 2 equals. Okay, so you can see there we've just by traveling around, we've been able to enter in the values. So 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 3, 3, and 4, 2. So I'm simply reading off those variable frequency, variable frequency, variable. So I have the data in there. That's the process I've gone through, entered in the data. Okay, just to finish off then is to find the mean and standard deviation. And as before, this is a very straightforward process. You don't need to go through all this process here of AC, Shift, 1, 4, 2, etc. You just go Option 3 for univariate data, and there you go. You've got your standard deviation 1.211, etc., etc. That is your standard deviation. If you want to work out the mean, you've got the value there. X bar is equal to 2. So it's all there on the same screen. You just need to be able to find them. So just in summary, very slightly different. To get the frequency column, it's Shift Menu down 1, 1. And getting into the statistics mode is the same. Getting in, typing in the data is the same. And lastly, the only difference here, rather than doing all of this, all we need to do is go Option, I'll do it again, Option 3, and it has all my data values there.